The following video contains scenes that is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skiller! Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skiller. Now, there's a video that is out on social media that shows up an incident that had happened where a public passenger vehicle collided in a car. This incident said to have happened on Monday, September 30, 2019 in St. Ann, Jamaica. According to reports, the public passenger vehicle, which is also known as a bus, was driving behind a motor vehicle, and that motor vehicle made a right turn as the driver of the bus was attempting to make an overtake. The public passenger vehicle then collided into the vehicle that made the turn and resulted in 4 persons admitted in hospital in stable conditions. There was no reports of any fatalities. Now, I am about to show you this video so that you can have a better understanding for yourself, and this video shows of a vehicle on its side while people are trying to rescue those who were injured and other things as well. Now, I am about to show you this video, but before I show you the video, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in this video, it is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. And if you like how I present my videos to you, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright? Observe.
Boss, come on, stand in Africa. Stand in Africa. Yo.
Walk one.
People in there?
Yes, thank you. Thank you, Jesus. What's the person that came
Where you going on in the box?
I'm back there.